Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to download YouTube on a laptop or a PC on Windows 10. If you find this video helpful today, please drop a like, leave a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, how-tos, and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, if you have a look on my desktop, I've actually got the app installed down here. So if I double click that, that's actually going to load up YouTube. It's fairly simple to do this, and what you need to do, I'm just going to delete this off my screen first of all. So what you need to do is use any internet browser. Just go ahead and open that, and then you want to come across to youtube.com. And from there, once that's loaded up, if you look in the top right hand corner, and you need to go ahead and click the three dots up here which says customize and control Google Chrome. And then what you want to do is come down to more tools down here, and then you want to click onto create shortcut. And then all you need to do is just click the blue create button down here, and you'll see when I now minimize, that's going to create and download YouTube onto my laptop. So you can also do this on a PC. It's exactly the same process. You can see when I double click that, that's going to load straight up to youtube.com. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel further, there is a link in the video description down below where you'll be able to click that and buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.